Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 6, Lesson number 10, Mensuration. So students, let's continue exercise 10.1, question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeters long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? Means the string is 30 centimeter long, so the perimeter is given and we have to find the side for square, triangle and hexagon. Okay, so first let's start with the square. So, students, what is the perimeter of the square? Yes, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. You know that we have to write the formulas for everything. Now the perimeter is given as 30 and we have to find the side. So you know that now what will you do? 30 divided by 4. Now when I divide, it doesn't go in my table, so let's do it in my rough work. 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Now what do I do? Yes, I put a decimal point and add a 0, and 4 fives are 20. So my answer is 7.5. My answer 7.5 centimeter is the side of the square. Okay, we move on to an next one. The question is equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle. So what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means it has 3 equal sides. So it is 3 into side. Now my perimeter is 30 is equal to 3 into side. So 30 divided by 3 will be my side, which will be 10 centimeters. So the side of my equilateral triangle will be 10 centimeters. And we move last one. A regular hexagon. Now what is a hexagon? How many sides does it have? Yes, so 6 sides. So perimeter of hexagon is 6 into side. So 30 is equal to 6 into side. 30 divided by 6 will be my side. So what is it? 6 was the 30. 5 centimeter will be my side. So the string, when string is used for a square, the side will be 7.5 centimeters for a square, 10 centimeters for an equilateral triangle, and 5 centimeters for a regular hexagon. 12th one, two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters and 14 centimeters. The perimeter of a triangle is 30 centimeters. Find the third side. Now first we will write the formula. Perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Now how many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides. So, and the perimeter is given as 36. So we will find the perimeter. Let us say that the sides are, perimeter is 36 and the sides will be A plus B plus C. Okay, so 36 will be equal to 12 plus 14 plus C. C will be the third side. So first we will add these. So 36 will be equal to 26 plus C. Now as per the rules, 26, when we were finding the side of a square, the multiplication was changing to division. Now here it is addition, it will change to subtraction. 36 minus 26 will be equal to C. 36 minus 26 is 10 centimeters is C, or the third side. So my answer, third side of the triangle is 10 centimeters. Question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square part of side 250 meters at the rate of 20 per meter. We have to fence the park. So first we will find the perimeter of the park, that is square. So the perimeter of a square, and then for the cost we have to multiply in the amount given. So first, perimeter of square park will be 4 into side. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 4 into, what is the side given? 250. So I multiply 250 into 4. 25 4s are 100, and I add this 0. So it is 1000 meters. Now should we find the cost? Yes. Cost of fencing will be perimeter into the cost given. The perimeter is 1000 and the cost is given 20. 20 into 1000 will be 20,000 rupees. So my answer, the cost of fencing a square park is rupees 20,000. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meters and breadth 125 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So the same formula as we had done the sum number 13. So perimeter of rectangle. In sum number 13 it was a square. Now here it is a rectangle. So rectangular park will be 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into, what is my length? 175, and my breadth is 125. So 175 plus 125, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, and 3, that is 3 2s are 600 meters. That is a perimeter. Now I have to find the cost. So cost will be perimeter into the rate. So 600 is my perimeter and my rate is rupees 12. So 12 6 are 72, and I add the 2 zeros. So my answer is rupees 7,200. I hope you all are understanding. So answer, the cost of fencing a rectangular park is rupees 7,200. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meters and Bulbul runs a rectangular park with length 60 meters and 45 meters. Who covers less distance? So now first we will find out the distance that they both run. For finding the distance, it is around the park, so we will find the perimeter. So perimeter for Sweetie. For Sweetie it will be perimeter of square because she is running through a square part. So perimeter of square, 4 into side, 4 into, what is the side given? 75. So 4 into 75, 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 7 4s are 28, and 300 meters. If you want, you can multiply in the rough work also. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30. Okay, this is for Sweetie. Sweetie runs 300 meters. Now let's find for Bulbul. Bulbul is running around a rectangular. So we will find perimeter of rectangular park. It is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into, what is the length? 60 and breadth is 45. 2 into 60 plus 45 is 105. And when I multiply, 105 into 2 will be 210 meters. Now who runs less? Sweetie runs 300 meters and Bulbul is running 210 meters. So who is running race? Bulbul. So write my answer. Bulbul covers less distance. Okay. Number 16, we'll do it in the textbook only. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What do you infer from the answers? Now first, the figure is given as a square. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now what is the side given? 25. So 4 into 25 is 100 centimeters. Okay, you can do it in your textbook only next to the sum. Next, there is a figure of a rectangle. You can either add, or perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. What is my length? 30 and my breadth is 20. And when I add 30 plus 20, 50. 2 into 50 is 100 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, here also, what do I do? Yes, 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 40 plus 10. 2 into 50 is again 100 centimeters. And the triangle is sum of all sides, 30 plus 30 plus 40. 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 40 is 100 centimeters. Okay. So now what do you infer from the answers? That all have, yes, this answer is 100, 100, 100, 100. So all figures have same perimeters.